Right, hello and welcome to my living room where it's raining outside. I'm in my pyjamas. Can't be asked to get dressed properly, and the lighting in the shed's not that great. So this is my living room in the manor or the static. As you can see, I've got lots of guitars, a bass guitar and a banjo. I do have a keyboard somewhere as well, but yeah. Might give you a little tour, seeing as we're here. Got my little, all my like electric stuff and kind of expensive stuff are in here. So, because I keep them, you know, good condition. I don't want to leave the charge out in the shed, or it might go bad. You know, might be a leak in the shed or whatever. So yeah, here I got two batteries now. I got one out of the Cavalier, both fully charged. Right, that's cheapy rip-off. We can turn that off. So yeah, that is actually quite a good charger. It doesn't have like a fixed battery thing when where it pulses, but it's got a slow charge, so I just did that. Dad has got a little one that can pulse charge, but I couldn't be asked to go and get it, and this was already charging when he told me he actually has it here, so whatever. But those two are fully charged now. Still haven't gone back to the Deutz, but there we go. So we gotta try and assemble this before my battery goes flat, before the camera overheats, because GoPros tend to get hot. What is this sitting on? There we go. So yeah, I need to get like a case where the camera's more out, like, you know, because I think it's a case that it gets warm in, but there's a good microphone on it, so I need to get a better microphone, really. Maybe one I can put on my shirt. That'd be good. Right, let's try and build this press. I haven't even told you what it is. It's a 20-ton press. Bought it a little while ago, a couple of weeks ago, and it's just been sitting in the Fortract for a while, so need to build it. Good opportunity to use my new tool. Need a good battery, get a good proper one. See, I haven't actually used this much. Why is there duct tape on it, or tape? God damn it. Family likes to steal my tools and then say, here you go, here's some cheap rip-off batteries, so now we can use them all the time. There we go. So yeah, gonna use this. Don't know if I should keep it on full. I don't know, I won't screw them down too tight. Sorry about all the paperwork, it's my dad's. I'm strict rules not to mess with it. I like to tidy everything else up, just not the paperwork. So I'm guessing this one is the jack itself. It's like a bottle jack type one. Unboxing. I didn't think I'd be doing this on the channel, even though I know what it is. Right. Go. Ooh, it's not the jack. I think it comes with a jack, so I don't have to be too worried. I hope there's an instruction manual, because I have no idea how to build it. There was not an instruction manual. We got that piece. Got that piece. Don't worry, I'll build it all in a time-lapse type of thing. Handle for the jack. Springs. God, this is gonna be. How am I gonna get it out of here? Or am I just gonna keep it in my living room? I mean, my living room is quite full of crap already. Loads of nuts and bolts. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's tiny. This is a 20-ton. It's not that bad. 20-ton hydraulic jack. Got a handle as well. Caution, never exceed the jack's rated load capacity. Base of jack should always rest on a firm, level surface. Never work under the lift load without additional support devices. I can actually use this just as a jack then. That's nice, I like that. I can take it off the bench and have a 20-ton jack. I think I went for the biggest option. I don't know. Anyway, box. Into the kitchen. There we go. at least the carpet's kind of clean for me to kneel on and stuff. I have got a torque wrench if it's got torque settings, although it is in the shed where, well, it's raining from here to the shed, so it's not super far though. Look at this. I bet you everybody's going to use this on the farm. I just want to use it for like bearings and bushings mostly, I think. Maybe straightening out some things, I don't know. Oh, here we go. That's gone. God, this is going to be so heavy to move out. It's probably not safe on my floor, so I'll have to put it in the shed. But I'll deconstruct it into half or something before doing that. Good. Right, do some tidying up. Don't have my steel toes on right now, so I'll have to be careful about my toesies, my feet. Oh, I didn't see a instruction manual anywhere. Well, I've got the parts kind of photo and the other one. Okie dokie. I've never like properly used a hydraulic press, so I'll have to search up a photo to see how it goes together. Bad point for this company there. Yeah. Well, let's get the phone out. Okay, I've now got an adjustable spanner, but yeah, let's try and put it together. I've just got photos to go by, so might be a bit tricky. Right, where's my photos? I need to know what it looks like. It's a bit of a guessing game knowing what goes where, but I think these 4 small ones go on the bottom, so that's where I'm going to start, from the bottom up. But yeah, let's get on with it. That's a bit tight. Well, there we go. My camera turned off again because it got too hot. I need to get a better case, but then I'll need to get another microphone because I'm just using the thingy microphone on the case right now. So yeah. Anyway, that's mostly together. Need some help with Dad or someone to help me get these through the other side. It's all a bit twisted. It's not too bad, to be honest. There's a few holes I don't really know what they do. This, I don't know what this does. It just stops it from falling just in case, I don't know. Need to put the jack back on. But yeah, it doesn't look too bad. It's a bit jiggly and stuff, but it looks alright. So it should do the jobs for bushings and bearings. Anything more heavy duty, then I'll be a bit careful. Need to get all those like blocks and things you use here. They'll be handy. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and even subscribing if you haven't. Sorry that you have to see this tip, but you know, I've just got to eat and sleep and have a shower and play my guitars, and I'm happy. I'm not too fussed about the mess. I hoover up and stuff and do the dishes when they need doing and all that. But yeah, so yeah. With that, I'll see you next time. I'll have to have some help to carry this over to the shed as well, because I'm not going to keep in here. It takes way too much space. So yeah, see you next time. Bye!